A fruit seller has a total 187 fruits consisting of apple, mangoes, and oranges. The number of apples and mangoes are in the ratio of 5:2. After she sells 75 apples, 26 mangoes, and half of the oranges, the ratio of number of unsold apples to number of unsold oranges become 3:2. The total number of unsold fruits is. Here, this is a divisibility question. Divisibility question. Now, we have apple, mangoes, and oranges. Initially, we had number of apples and mangoes were in the ratio of 5:2. And after she sold 75 apples and 26 mangoes and half of the oranges. If I take X as initial number of oranges, then she sold X by 2 oranges. That is half of it. Which means here X should be an even number. Then only we can take half of it. Now, after she sold it, ratio of unsold apple to unsold oranges become 3:2. Now, if you look at this, initially number of apples were multiple of 5, and after she sold 75 apples, it become a multiple of 3. So, if I take this as 5 part, then this should be 2 part. Here, 5 part minus 75 become multiple of 3. Take it as 3. Here 5 into 15 itself is 75, which means here part should be greater than 15. Now, here this is a multiple of 5 and this is a multiple of 3. When you subtract 75 from 5 part, it becomes multiple of 3. Now 75 itself is a multiple of both 5 and 3, which means logically this should be multiple of 5 and 3. Here this should be multiple of 3 and 5. That is 5 and 3. Here part should be multiple of 3. Logically part should be a multiple of 3 and it should be greater than 15, which means possible values of part are 18, 21, 24, etc. Now, if you substitute part values 18, 5 into 18 become 90. 2 into 18 become 36. 90 plus 36 is 126. And here we know total number of fruits initially is 187, which is an odd number. Here 90 plus 36 even number, and even plus even is not odd, it is even. So this is not possible. This value is not possible. So 18 is not possible. So check for 21. Check for the next option 21. So if you take part value as 21, 5 into 21 is 105, 2 into 21 is 42. 105 plus 42 is an odd number. Odd plus even is odd number. Here 105 plus 42 is equal to 147. 147 plus 40 is equal to 187, which is correct. Now 40 is an even number. Here 40 minus 20 become 20 and 42 minus 26 become 16 and 105 minus 75 become 30. Here 30 is a multiple of 3, 20 is a multiple of 2, which is correct. So total number of unsold fruits is equal to 30 plus 16 plus 20, which is equal to 66, which is correct answer.